The world's first gold bar vending machine is about to be revealed at the JCK convention here in Las Vegas.
Well, this makes gold available to the consumer at current market price.
Well, I guess the concept is excellent. We can get the gold whenever and wherever we want, and it's pretty easier, I guess. Give the money and you get the gold. Very nice concept.
It adds to the intrigue of gold, and I think the validity of it. I mean, it's hard currency. It's good anywhere in the world. Everybody wants gold.
You can get it as a gift or as like a birthday present, an anniversary gift, a special occasion. I was thinking a first date. Hint, hint, guys.